Message queues, we can also call them as distributed message queues. Distributed message queues. Okay, so in these message queues, what is happening? You have already seen that in group communication, or it was publish subscribe system, they both were group communication where multiple parties were involved. Or you can understand that in group communication or in publish subscribe, what was happening, one entity was sending some information, it was then given to many. Or in publish subscribe system, one event was notified and it was notified to different subscribers, right? So it was actually one to many, है ना? But here in this case, message queues, what is it? A message queues QUEUES. So message queues are actually one to one. So basically you can understand it as point to point service. Point to point service. So what is happening in message queue? You can understand that these are the two communicating parties. If they want to directly communicate, they will form a socket, whether UDP and TCP, and they will start communicating. They also have buffer, but they need to be present. Okay, let it be. Okay, here what they are saying, we will have to maintain separate queues. Okay, they will also maintain a queue. So when they are maintaining a queue, then this information can be sent and stored in these message queues. Or you can also understand it as message oriented middlewares. Okay, let me remove one of the queue from here. Control Z. Is it possible? Okay. Let me form a queue here. So because of this, what is happening? Sender will place its information, whatever it want to communicate here, and the receiver can receive from here. Okay, so there can be a send operation. This send operation will place some information in this message queue, and this receive function I should say, will receive this particular information from the message queue. So this is the whole story of this particular message queues. Definitely these message queues can be of can support the blocking or non-blocking operations. Other than that, the program model for this particular message queue is very simple. So there is a queue, and you have to send something, and the receiver will receive something. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Receives definitely have this option of blocking receive or a non-blocking receive. Okay. In blocking receive, what will happen? It will block until an appropriate message is available. Non-blocking receive is what? It is a operation actually where it will check the status of the queue, and then if message is available there, then it will return it. If it is not available, in that case, then it will not return anything. It will just indicate that there is no message. Okay, one is, we call it as notify operation. In that case, what will happen? Whenever there is some message in the queue, then this particular receiver will be notified of the event that something has come in the message queue. So this is the something about you call it message queues. Now, anything that you want to ask about this? Please go ahead.